Hello guys, welcome to Analytical Preps. So today we are looking at this Olympiad math problem. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us grow our channel together. You are part of the family. We appreciate you a lot. So we are having x factorial, which is equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x exponent 3 minus x. Okay. Before we start, we know that this we can express it as x factorial is equal to 2x plus 1 the bracket. This you can also say that is the same as x squared minus 1 multiplied by x. Okay, so in this case, let's talk about factorial. We know that n factorial is the same as n into bracket n minus 1 factorial, right? Okay, and we can also say that the same as n into bracket n minus 1 into bracket n minus 2 all factorial. Okay, and so on. So we are going to be working with this. Okay, so now you can see that x factorial is the same as the n factorial, so we can express it as, in this case we can say that x factorial is the same as x into bracket x minus 1 all factorial, and is equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 1 multiplied by x. Okay, so with this you can divide both sides by x. Okay, so that we cancel out the x at the both sides. So now we are going to get x minus 1 all factorial, which is equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 1. Okay, good. So with this, we can also say that this x minus 1 factorial, we can express it as n into bracket n minus 1, then n minus 2 all factorial. Okay, so now let's represent this as that. So we have x into bracket this, so it's going to be n, so x minus 1, okay, then x minus 2 all factorial is equal to 2x plus 1 x squared minus 1. Okay, good. But this, we can also say that this in indices a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. That is the difference of two squares. So our equation now becomes x minus 1, x minus 2, all factorial, which is equal to 2x plus 1. Then with this, you can say that this 1 squared is the same as 1. So you can say that x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, good. Then x minus 1, x minus 1 can cancel out, leaving x minus 2 all factorial, which is equal to 2x plus 1 into bracket x plus 1. So with this, we can say that let y to be equal to x minus 2. Okay, so making x the subject, x is equal to y plus 2. So wherever we see y, we put x minus 2. Or wherever you see x, you put y plus 2 there. Okay, so here you can say that y factorial, because y is equal to x minus 2, which is equal to, with this, you can say that s. So we have 2 into bracket y plus 2, okay, plus 1 multiplying by y plus 2 plus 1. We can simplify everything here. So you get y factorial is equal to, this one will give us 2y. So 2y plus 4 plus 1. Okay. Then y plus 3. So y factorial is equal to 2y plus 5, then y plus 3. Okay. Y factorial is equal to, now, so you have 2y into bracket y plus 3 plus 5 into bracket y plus 3. Okay. So y factorial is equal to 2y times y. We have 2y squared. This and this, which is plus 6y plus 5y plus 15. Okay. Okay, so now y factorial is equal to 2y squared. This plus this is 11y plus 15. So we can group like terms. And don't forget, this y prime is the same as y into bracket y minus 1 all factorial, okay, which is equal to 2y squared plus 11y plus 15. Okay, so now we can say that y into bracket y minus 1 all factorial minus 2y squared minus 11y is equal to 15. Okay, so here y is common here, so we can say that y out, we have y minus 1 all factorial minus 2y minus 11 and it's equal to 15. Okay, so by definition of factorial, they are product of positive numbers in which the successive factor declines by 1 and up to 1. Okay, so with this case 15, we can express two positive products of 15. So with this we have 15 times 1. Okay, and also we have 1 times 15. Another factors, positive factors, we have 3 times 5 and also 5 times 3. So we have these factors as product of 15. Okay, so let us obtain the values of y from these factors which satisfies this equation. Okay, so we say that case 1 is when y is equal to 1. Okay, so when y is equal to 1, we are having y into bracket y minus 1 all factorial minus 2y minus 11 and it should be equal to 15. Okay, now 1 into bracket 1 minus 1 all factorial minus 2 multiplied by 1 minus 11, it should be equal to 15. Okay, and this one 1 factorial, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 factorial is 1. Okay, so we have 1 minus 2 minus 11 and this should be equal to 15. Okay, so this, we are having -11 plus -2, which is -13 plus 1. We have -12, and you can see that it's not equal to 15. So we say that it's false. So we reject, okay? We reject 1. The solution can never be 1, okay? So 1 that doesn't satisfy the equation. Now let's go to case 2. When y is equal to 3. So with this, we are having 3 into bracket 3 minus 1 all factorial minus 2 into bracket 3 minus 11, and it should be equal to 15. Okay, so we have 3 into bracket 2 factorial. This will give us -6 minus 11, and it should be equal to 15. Okay, 2 factorial is 4. So we are having 4 minus 6 minus 11, which is equal to -15. Okay, and it should be equal to 15. 3 times 15 is -45, and it's not equal to 15. So this one too is false. So we reject. Now let's go to case 3. In which y is equal to, so it is, let's say y is equal to 5, okay? So case 3, when y is equal to 5, we have 5 brackets 5 minus 1 all factorial minus 2 into bracket 5 minus 11 is equal to 15. It should be equal to 15. So we're having 5. This will be 4 factorial minus 2 in bracket 5 minus 11. It should be equal to 15. Okay. Now, 4 factorial is 24. So we have 5 into bracket 24. This one will give us 10 minus 11. And it's equal to 15. Okay. Now, this 10 plus 11 is 21. So 24 minus 21, we are getting 3. So you say that 5 into bracket 3, which is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15, which is equal to 15. Okay. So in this case, it is okay that y is equal to 5 because it satisfies the equation. Okay, let's try it for the last one, which is 15 SF. So case 5, and see when y is equal to 15. So we have 15 into bracket 15 minus 1 all factorial minus 2 into bracket 15 minus 11. It should give us 15. So we have 15 into bracket 14 factorial minus 30 minus 11 should give us 15. Okay, and let's not even continue because 14 factorial is even more than 15. So we say that it is false. So we reject this. Take it from there. Now we know that x is equal to y plus 2. Okay. So in this case, s is equal to, you know that this y, we had to be 3. So 3 plus 2. Okay. Oh, sorry. It was 5 rather. Okay. So we said, okay. So so y is equal to 5. So 5 plus 2. So we have x is equal to 7. Okay. So it means that our solution is s is equal to 7. Now let's check and see if it is true and so let's check to know whether this our s is equal to 7 satisfy the equation. So we're having x prime is equal to 2x plus 1 s exponent 3 minus x. Okay, so this x factorial is the same as we have x to be 7, so 7 factorial, which is equal to 2 bracket 7 plus 1, 7 exponent 3 minus 7. Okay, so 7 factorial is equal to 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1, which is 15. Okay, into bracket. This one, you can say that 7 squared minus 1 like this. Okay, now 7 factorial is equal to 15 into bracket. 7 squared is 49. Okay, minus 1 multiplied by 7. So 7 factorial is 5040, which is equal to now 15. 49 minus 1 is 48 multiplied by 7. Okay, so we have 5040, which is equal to 15 times 48. We are getting 720 multiplied by this 7. So 5040 is equal to 720 times 7 is the same as 5040. So it means that indeed our x is equal to 7. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more helpful solutions. Thank you for being part of the family.